Hello, today I'm going to do a video demonstration, a short one at that, of XFCE from Linux Mint version 14, the Nadia edition. Now, I've been running this, it's about a week after they debuted it, and as you can see, this is my desktop background, and if you right click in there, you can get a menu. It gives you lots of different options. You can create launchers, URL links, folders, etc. Or you can change your desktop settings right here, just as easy as that. Real simple. Menus, icons, the whole works. But in addition to the right click, you also have your menu. And this is the same menu that you would see right here. As you can see, my panel, I've quite customized it. I've gotten a couple little widgets, gotten the Dropbox, weather, and the default one's clock, power, this is a laptop, internet connection, and Mint's update tool, volume, and of course the record my desktop tool that I'm using now. On this side you can see that I've replaced Thunar with Nemo. Thunar is still in the menu. Not a lot of difference, but there is a little bit, and it's just a personal preference of mine. So. And I got Focuswriter. This is the writing I do my creative writing with, this little tool. KeyPass, my virtual machine. I've also put it in gedit. Thunderbird Mail, which is default in XFCE. Firefox. And I've added in, there's also a places. It brings you up to basically the same places Nemo does in its default, but you can go right to one specifically. I've also added the package manager here, Writer, and Calc. And you notice just how fast Writer comes up. And with this version, you get LibreOffice 3.6.22. So you got quite a lot of features here. This is the software manager that we've explored before. Enter your password. We've explored this tool in a previous video. If you have not seen it, you can go back a few posts and watch that. Really exceptional tool. And of course you got your basic, your menu, your settings, and with XFCE there are a lot of settings. So I don't even begin to use half of these, but you might, which is why they're there. And accessories is your default accessories. The only ones I've added are KeyPass 2, and on that menu that's the only one. And graphics is your default tools. Internet, I've added Dropbox and FileZilla. Other than that, everything in Remina. This is a remote desktop client. Other than that, everything is default. For multimedia, I've added AVI Demux, excuse me, Cheese, which we demoed before, and I've added remote record my desktop and the Magnetic Video Transcorder, TVT. For short, and WinFF. Everything else you see is the default. Banshee is your music player, the default music player, and it can do quite a few things. You got your Last.fm. If you got an account, I don't. Music, PlayQ, radio, podcast, Amazon MP3 store. Camaro guide. There's a lot of things here. Internet Archive that I just haven't really had time to play with, but I'm sure you will. Banshee stays running unless you right click and click close there. Office, you got your default here. I added a dictionary, Focuswriter, which I showed you, and your default system. Got some great tools here. You can create an installation disk, backup tool, domain blocker, firewall if you need it. HTOP, I love HTOP versus top. Much more information in my mind, easier to use than top. Terminal window. I've got it down here too. So you got a lot of options at XFCE that can be explored. By the way, when I installed my printer, it's an HP LaserJet. It found it on the network and installed it on its own quite easily. Time and date, update manager. Most of these tools, once you go to use them, will be administrative. You might be able to look at some of the information sometimes, but when you go to do anything, you'll need your administrator password. And the same with some of the settings. In Mint, you'll normally see this dialog. I've closed it, but if you're not familiar with Mint, it's nice. It's a nice little dialog because it can get you going on the forums, the tutorials, chat room, etc. A lot of good information there. And that's it. This is your short video demonstration of XFCE. There's a lot more I could probably show you, but most people won't watch a video that long. So that's it for now. Hope you liked it. Please, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments. We'll try to answer them. Have a great day.